Google Chrome inventor becoming developer again after 20 years. Yeah, the inventor of Google Chrome, who invented actually Google Chrome, who was been the main person inventing Google Chrome, left Google and started creating another browser. Okay, so he started working in another browser company, which is created from scratch. But he's not like the product manager or the architect or something like that. He started with being a developer again. So this is the crazy thing which is there in US a lot. I see people love development even after so many years they become developer. Even that can be said for the Google founders. The Google founders Larry Page and another founder, they have left the company to a professional CEO to run to become developer again. They are developing something very cool, like behind the scene they work in that Google garage or something like that, and they just develop and develop. So once a developer, always a developer. That is something which will take you to great high. And don't go after those managers and all those positions. Just be a developer, love being a developer, love to code, and you'll reach great height. Thank you.